Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word curly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Sarah's hair is naturally curly, and she loves the way it looks. Curly describes hair that forms tight, spiral, or wavy patterns, often characterized by a bouncy and voluminous texture. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.